Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. We're going to look today at a coin that we've seen 2 or 3 times on this channel. It's the 70th platinum anniversary of Her Majesty's accession to the throne. Underneath we have the Platinum Jubilee logo on the sticker, and this silver lined blue packaging is only for this coin on Westminster Collection for the Platinum Jubilee. It's a standard 70 years with the Queen's crown, her cipher, and also the date of 1952 to 2022. The difference being on the back, or on the obverse of the coin. Let me just bring that in. There we go. We have the Queen on horseback. Now this has happened on 2 other occasions. One was the 1977 Jubilee, and the second one was the 1952 or 1953 crown, which was either her accession to the throne or her enthronement as the Queen. I'm not sure which one of the 2 it is, but it's certainly on 2 more of them. This is a very unusual back. As I say, it's only obverse. It's only the 3rd time that this obverse has been used during the Queen Elizabeth's reign. It shows her on horseback, I believe from trooping of the colour. So this 50p has been shown quite a few times on this channel and other channels, so therefore I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Tell me what you think about it in this specialised packing. We've just heard that this coin is going into circulation, so we'll be looking out. Now I'm not sure whether it will be this 70th anniversary with this specialised back. I believe it is the one with the Jodie Clark portrait, 5th portrait of the Queen. The standard portrait that's been on all the coins is the one that's going into circulation. But I'm looking forward to finding this in our change, or I am, and so are a lot of the other coin collectors, no doubt, coin tubers. So what do you think of this coin? I have a coin that I managed to get hold of, believe it or not, from a post office. A friend of mine did, and he got 2 of them for me. The other one is here. The other one is here already in the wrapper, in a sleeve. The other one is, but I've taken it out for this video. So what's so special about a single 50p? Well, it's one we've all been trying to get hold of at post offices, and we've had numerous problems put in our way. Postmasters not letting them out into circulation when they were supposed to be, holding them back for some reason, not allowing people to purchase them. I am of course talking about the Platinum Jubilee 50p. It's the one with the 5th portrait of the Queen on the obverse, the Jodie Clark portrait. Let me just get that there for you. Jodie Clark portrait. Now on the back we have the 70th anniversary of Her Majesty the Queen ascending the throne, and the coin that was produced for it. My friend was fairly lucky. I'd not been able to get hold of one, and he said to me, well, I can. And I said, well, get me a couple, and he did. And to be thankful to him, he didn't actually charge me anything above face value for them, so I got them for 50p, which was wonderful. These 2 have a place to be put into my albums. Oops, let me just get that one into shot a little bit. One will go in my date run album, and I'll put the other one in the 50p book that I have for the till grades, until I can find one that's from a till raid, so to speak. And in some ways, tell me, do you think I should put it in a till raid book, because I did actually get it from a till indirectly. So tell me, what do you think? Do you think I ought to put it in there? Personally I do, and I probably will, but let me know in the comments what you think. Did you have any problems finding this 50p and trying to get it out of the post office? Let me know in the comments below. I know I'm not the only one, and I'm not the only one who's complained to post office about the way that these coins have been distributed. You go onto the Mint, and the Mint say, well, we just give them to the post office to distribute, so they're denying all liability and all claim, saying that it's not their fault. You pay your money, you take your choice. They are difficult to get hold of. Hopefully over the next couple of months we'll start seeing them turning up for people like Christopher and Darren at Caledonian Coins, and Bo Selector and all the rest of the coin tubers who do £250 50p hunts, laughter, and that they'll get these coins out into circulation, and we'll eventually find them so they can put them in their hunt books. So in the meantime, what I will say is, if you enjoyed this video, would you please give me a thumbs up. If you've also seen a couple of videos and you've not yet subscribed, I'll be delighted if you did, because one of my aims of this show is to grow the channel. And what I'll say in ending is thank you very, very much for watching the video, and if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, wherever you're getting them from, I hope that you can get them at the price that you want to pay. Until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and ta-ra for now. Bye bye.